So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna and today I'm going to talk about how I clean my face. So as you know that in my first video I told you guys that a day before when I have to do my makeup, at night I clean my face, I properly scrub my face at night. So in this video I'm going to tell you that what I do personally in my home remedies, and the next day I can get a clear and canvas skin so that I can slap on my makeup so I can go wherever I want to. So in this video particularly I am not going to use anything which I bought from outside. It is really very affordable video for girls out there who doesn't have any scrubbers, who don't know how to use a scrubber, who don't know how to cleanse your face, who don't know how to close your pores. In this video you are going to have a lot of more fun, and I really do these stuff to myself when I have to cleanse my face, and also it really works for me. And for oily skin girls, this is going to be a best home remedy, so you should try for once and then tell me your review in the comment box. Let's not waste any other further time and let's get started. So basically what I did, I took a container and I filled it with a water, normal water, and then I'm going to boil it. But before keeping it on boil, I'm going to take a green tea bag. I'm going to cut it. After that I'm going to put this green tea bag into that container so that that water can have that green tea kind of a mixture. After that I'm going to leave it for like 5 minutes to get boiled, and as you can see it is boiling and steam is coming. So I am going to close it and I'm going to take it to my bed where I have no fans on, and I'm going to take a cotton cloth. After that I'm going to take steam for 5-10 minutes, and as you can see now my face is very sweaty. I'm going to tap my face with that cotton cloth. This is only for my face, so if you have pimple, don't touch it. Next, for scrubber, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that green tea bag only, which I soaked it into water while boiling it, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm saving the half of the green tea for the end. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add any company's honey. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and now I'm going to mix it until and unless I get a texture like this. I'm going to mix it like for 1 minute only, 1 minute 30 seconds, and now I'm going to apply it on my face. So now as you can see I have applied all the scrubber on my face. I'm going to scrub it for like 1 or 2 minutes. I'm not going to be harsh. I'm going to scrub under my nose area where I have pores. I'm going to leave it for like then 10 minutes, and when you feel it stacky you are going to wash it. Use this green tea boiling water only, and after that I'm going to tap my face a little bit. So now I'm just using ice on my face to close my pores actually, and I feel very fresh while doing this process. My skin feels very hydrated, and I'm going to rub it for 2 minutes. As you can see I have rubbed all my eyes on my face, and I'm going to leave it for like 5 seconds. After that I'm using that bowl only in which I made that scrubber, and I'm going to take the other half green tea. After that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of dahi. You can use dahi. I have chach, I'm using chach, and a little bit of gulab jal. You can use quantity as much as you like, and I'm going to apply it on my face. As you can see I'm doing it. I have applied this mixture on my face and I'm going to leave it for like 5 minutes and I'm going to wash it. I have washed my face. I'm just using that cotton cloth on my face. And now I'm using this Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel you have. You can use aloe vera from that aloe vera plant. I'm just taking 2 drops of aloe vera gel and I'm adding vitamin E oil. My mother bought this oil, so don't worry, I'm going to link everything in the description box. And I'm using 3-4 drops of this oil, and now I'm mixing this oil and aloe vera gel to make its texture look like this, and then I'm going to apply it on my face, as you can see. Now while applying it, don't drag it downwards, drag it upwards. Never drag anything on your face while applying it downwards. So as you can see, I'm giving my face a good massage for like 2-3 minutes. After that, I'm going to use Wadi lip balm. You can use any other lip balm, and I'm going to give massage to my lips also. And so as you can see, now I'm done. So this was my some tips and tricks which I use to clean my face, to scrub my face. And also, so I'm going to link down everything in the description box. Don't forget to check out there. And also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Put the bell notifications on, and also do share this video with your other girlfriends. And I hope you like this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until and unless, bye.